Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare red pumpkin stir fry recipe. In Maharashtra it's known as dangar. This recipe is simple, sweet and savory Maharashtrian stir fry made with red pumpkin, tempered with mustard seeds, curry leaves, garlic and spiced with red chili powder. This healthy dry recipe takes about 15 minutes to cook and pairs best with chapati. This red pumpkin is also known for its mild sweetness. Typically served with hot bajra or jawar roti, which is pearl millet flatbread, or also with steamed rice. Red pumpkin stir fry or dangar recipe is a nutrient-dense, low-calorie dish that offers several significant health benefits. The combination of high potassium and low sodium helps to regulate blood pressure. Loaded with vitamin C, vitamin E and iron, red pumpkin is an essential source of vitamin A. Ingredients needed for this red pumpkin stir fry recipe is 3 cups of red pumpkin cut into cubes. Also we need fresh green coriander leaves, 5 to 6 green chilies paste, or you can also add red chili powder, ginger garlic paste and peanut powder. In spices we need 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder if you are not using green chilies paste. It's optional for red chili powder. First step is to wash the red pumpkin with water and dry it. Use the sharp knife to carefully slice off the top and bottom. Stand the red pumpkin on end and carefully slice down through the center. Remove the seeds. Slice red pumpkin into not very thick or not very thin wedges. Remove the seeds and flesh to cut it away. Cut the wedges into long, uniform, thick strips. Line up the strips with your non-working hands and cut them into square pieces of 1 inch in diameter. Second step is to prepare the temperings. Heat the oil in a deep non-stick pan over medium flame. Add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Add cumin seeds. Once they begin to crackle, add ginger garlic paste and shoot for about 30 seconds until the raw smell disappears. Add fresh green chilies paste and fresh green coriander leaves. Stir it well and shoot it for about 30 seconds. Add turmeric powder, garam masala and salt. Mix well to coat it. At this stage, add pumpkin cubes and mix well to coat the pumpkin evenly. Mix with turmeric, green chilies paste and salt. Adding roasted peanut powder is a classic Maharashtrian touch that adds crunch, absorb excess moisture and balance the sweetness of pumpkin. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder. Mix the roasted peanut powder with pumpkin cubes. Give it quick gentle stir so the powder coats the cube without mashing them. Use a flat spatula. Fold the mixture from the edge toward the center. Avoid heavy stirring which can mash the soft pumpkin. At this stage, pour in half cup of water and cover the pan with lid and cook on medium flame for about 7 to 8 minutes until the pumpkin is soft but still holds its shape. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. After the red pumpkin is well cooked, keep the pan uncovered for about 3 to 4 minutes. Shoot for short time. This allows the peanut powder to absorb the remaining moisture and grip onto the cubes, giving the dish its signature texture. This recipe, red pumpkin, is best served hot as a wholesome side dish. Its natural sweetness and crunch of roasted peanut powder pairs perfectly with both bread, jawar or bajra roti, also with rice-based meals, traditionally enjoyed with jawar or pearl millet roti. Also pairs well with daily chapati. Red pumpkin cooks very quickly. If overcooked, it will turn into mash, which is also tasty but little bit different. The natural sweetness of pumpkin is balanced by red chili or green chilies paste and garlic. Garnish with fresh green coriander leaves and serve hot with chapati or roti or also with steamed rice. In this red pumpkin recipe, avoid adding too much water. The pumpkin will release its own moisture as it cooks. If it looks too dry, only sprinkle few tablespoons of water. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.